started at Dropbox. It was about a weekend, and I met one of the engineers that I ended up working really closely with. And he asked me why I joined at Dropbox, and I shared that I joined to lead the sales systems team to work on Salesforce. That was my background from an engineering perspective. And he smiled at me and he said, well, that's interesting because we're not going to have it for very much longer. We're going to build it in-house. And I found that to be fascinating because at the end of the day, like, there could be a reason to build a CRM in-house. There is probably not a great one for a company like Dropbox because their value to the market isn't having really talented engineers work on a CRM where you can already buy one. It's to have them go work on the product. And lo and behold, I was there for 3.5 years. When I left, we had a whole sales systems team. We still had Salesforce alongside Oracle and many other internal applications. And so, commenting on this idea of maybe people's different perspectives on whether you should build it all from scratch or how it could be better building it all from scratch. And I've had the opportunity to work on Dropbox being one of those places, and Stripe after that, really integrated systems like order to cash systems where you actually have a blend of build versus buy, and you should. And you need to, because there's things about that overall application flow that you need an engineer in-house to help you with a piece of it. You have complex internal data that you have to feed into financial systems, but you also need a financial system that can do RevRec reporting. And you don't need to reinvent that one. And it's not going to be valuable to the company to reinvent that one. And so I've really enjoyed working in the space that I've worked in because if you open your mind to it, you get to build with things that you buy. And then as I found at AgentSync and watch even our engineering teams, like, we all buy things. If we're intellectually honest, like, we're buying services from AWS. We're looking at every single decision and saying, should I hand tool the entire auth stack for this, or should I use Zero or Okta or whatever that is, right? Or Ping, or should I do X or should I buy Y? And I think it's a more interesting space, right? We can all move faster, think about where our value creation comes from, and really invest our time and energy in value creation, and then work with partners who are obsessed with a certain surface area.